Different opening variants create more ways of using space. Motorized opening provides maximum operating convenience. The newly developed telescopic drive even opens window fronts up to 12 meters wide with hardly a sound, and even across the corner. The drive equipment is elegantly integrated in the top guide profile. Maintenance work is carried out through the invisible service openings. The Skyframe sliding windows comply with the most stringent safety requirements and are compatible with alarm systems. They can also be operated manually if the power fails. The system complies with both the Minergie standard and the passive house standard.